We are today with another door with one of our customers, Steve, and I'm Steve, and we're going to see how this one moves. Do you want to show us how it moves now? He's got to use one hand on the frame and one hand on the door to get it to go, so it's pretty hard, and I notice it's bumping along there as well. Now this is a Ryloc door, and when the rollers wear out on this door, then you've got to replace the rollers and you've got to do the track in it, and that's what we're going to do today. Then we're going to come back and have a look at it and see what sort of improvement we've got for it. So does that sound all right to you?
Very good. Yep.
Okay, well we'll get it running for you nicely. All right, we're back. We've fixed up this Ryloc door, and we did the screen door as well, and you can see we've done the track for the screen door, and we've done the track for the glass door, and they're running beautifully. We've got new rollers in them. Screen doors very nice and easy, and the glass doors nice and easy, not difficult. It's all fixed up. Now we'll ask the client, Steve, what he thinks.
Oh, they're beautiful now. They work like a treat. Don't have to use two hands and just close it. It's nice and easy. Yeah, works very well.
And no slamming and no oil. That's the key.
That's the key, yeah. No, they're very good. Thank you very much.
Right.
I'm very happy.
Great, thanks very much. And you got a warranty with it as well, so remember that.
Yeah.